The most awaited instalment of the Dubai Fighting Championship took place during the weekend at the Madinat Arena. And as most fans expected, UFC and Bellator veteran Paul Semtex Daly from England knocked down Brazilian MMA specialist Rodrigo Ribeiro. Daly was more aggressive during the start of the second round, throwing a series of punches which prompted the referee to stop the fight and award the victory to him.
Yeah, the fight was good. It went pretty much the same as I thought it would. You know, people talk the guy down a little bit, but he's a jiu-jitsu black belt, so I expected him, you know, to do well with a takedown eventually. But I'm comfortable on the ground, and I knew when he was on his back, I was always going to win.
For more top stories, tune into Newsreel every Monday. This is Rachel Pether for Fast News.